Hey guys, it's Crazy Coupons. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video, we're going to be going over the Dollar General Christmas Clearance Visuals Part 2. So before we get started, if you haven't already subscribed, please consider doing so, and while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are two quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, so first up, if you missed our Christmas clearance visuals video part 1, make sure that you go and check it out. I'm going to have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. In that video, I go over two of the major categories that we have clearancing down right now, which is the Christmas seasonal and Christmas home decor items. And if you are looking for the Christmas clearance updates and you want to find out what percentage off these items are currently sitting at, I'm also going to come back each week and link the most recent clearance update video in the pinned comment down below. Alright, so we're going to jump right in with our Christmas gift sets. Now, you want to be on the lookout for the purple square sticker tags on these, but be careful because not all of the gift sets that we have at Dollar General right now are following the Christmas clearance markdown. So far, these are the only ones that are following the Christmas clearance markdown. So we have a few of the nail files, we have some face mask gift sets, we have a little 2-count lip balm with Mickey and Minnie, and then we also have about 4 of the hand soaps. Now, the other purple tag gift sets should start clearancing out after Valentine's Day, so you guys keep that in mind. Alright, now the next category that we're going to talk about is Christmas pet items. Now, so far I have only found one item that is included in the Christmas clearance markdowns, but I'm still looking. I also have a couple of friends that they are checking out their stores, and if anything else pops up, I will update you guys in a future video. But so far, the only thing that I'm finding that is following the Christmas markdowns is these little pet advent calendars, and they're normally $4.50. Alright, now our next category is Christmas candy and food items. Now, this category normally includes the Christmas or holiday baking items, so things like the Betty Crocker cookie mix, the Ocean Spray cranberry sauce, and then we usually have some Clover Valley seasonings that also follow the Christmas markdowns. However, this year, those items have been reset to full price, so that's just something that we're going to have to keep an eye on. So if Dollar General does decide to mark these back down so that they do follow the Christmas clearance markdowns, I will update you guys in a future video. Now, also with this category, you want to keep in mind that some items will be excluded and still ring up full price because Dollar General will keep those and roll those over into the Valentine's Day candy section. So let's go ahead and take a look at some of the items that are included with our Christmas candy and food markdowns. So we do have quite a bit. We've got everything from popcorn to cookies to candy. I mean, there's a lot included. Now, I have put the UPC codes on your screen there for you for each product, and I have double checked to make sure that these items are following the clearance markdowns. So again, if I find anything else, I will update you guys in a future video. But I'm going to pop on a little background music. You guys check out these items, and I'll be right back with you here in a few minutes. Alright, so now we're going to take a quick look at our Christmas air care items. So for this category, it basically includes all of the holiday scents of our name brand air care items. So we do have a couple of True Living products. We have Glade, Febreze, and Air Wick. We've got everything from candles to starter kits to oil refills to automatic spray refills to just the regular air fresheners. So there is a lot included in this category. Alright guys, so now we're going to take a look at the holiday Air Wick products. Now keep in mind that we do have that $175 off one digital coupon on our Dollar General app, as well as we also have that same coupon on the coupons.com app. Now we also have a couple of insert coupons that have not expired yet. We have that $150 off one for the oil refills, as well as a $150 off one for the Air Wick Essential Mist refills. So you guys can find those coupons in the January 1st Smart Source insert. Now we did have a couple of other Air Wick coupons in that insert. Unfortunately, those did expire on the 14th. But we still have coupons that we can use, and that is going to make some of these products completely free, plus give us overages, especially as these continue to drop in price. Now, next up, we're going to take a look at the Febreze products. Now, again, we do have a $3.30 off two digital coupon for the Febreze products. This coupon does work with just about every single one of these holiday scents, and it doesn't expire until January the 28th. Now, we did have an insert coupon in the P&G insert. However, unfortunately, that one also expired on the 14th. But again, we still have that digital that we can work with, and that is going to make some of these products completely free, plus give us overages. Alright guys, so moving on into our next category, we have the Christmas apparel items. So we have a lot included in this category as well. We have a lot of the holiday socks. Those were normally priced at $1 each. We also have some holiday leggings. We have a black pair and a red pair, all different sizes. And then we also have the holiday family pajama set. Now, when you are looking for these clothing items, make sure that you go back and check out the regular clothing section at your store, whether they still have the full clothing section at your store or just the socks and the underwear. Make sure that you go back and check there, because a lot of these items get thrown back there as well. Alright, now up next we have our Christmas stationery and book category. Now, I've got to chit chat with y'all for just a quick second about this category, because typically we have the Christmas plates, cups, and things like that included in this category. However, I did have a bunch of pictures ready to go for you all, but I have seemed to have lost that folder. So once I find all of those pictures, I will give you guys an update in a future video. But in the meantime, I did visit a new store and I found this huge display of Christmas coloring books. But keep in mind that not all of these are included with the Christmas markdown. So here are a few of those coloring books that are excluded and still ringing up full price. So first up, we have the mini sticker activity books. Next up, we have the Play Pack Grab and Go activity kits. And then also excluded are these Imagine Ink coloring books. Now, another item that you might think is included in our Christmas clearance markdowns are these pom-pom pins. They have the little red price tag and everything, but I have a feeling that they're keeping these around for Valentine's Day. Alright, so now let's take a quick look at which coloring books are following the Christmas clearance markdowns. So first up, we have the Jumbo coloring and activity books. We also have these coloring and activity books with the crayons included there on the front. There's several different ones that are included. And then we also have these big, huge floor coloring books. And those are normally priced at $3 each. So the giant coloring and activity pads. Alright guys, so there you have it for our Christmas clearance visuals video part 2. And like I said before, if you missed out on part 1, make sure that you go and check it out, and I will have it linked for you in the pinned comment down below. So that is going to be it for me for now. But before you go, make sure that you subscribe if you haven't already. Turn on those notifications. That way you don't miss out on any awesome videos. And while you're at it, do me a huge favor. Hit that thumbs up button and leave me a smile down in the comment section below, because those are 2 quick, easy, and free ways that y'all can help support this channel. And then take a second to share the video. Alright guys, thank you all so much for watching. I hope y'all have a wonderful day, and I will see you on the next one.